Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. How are you doing all? We got mod, we got lor chak yenda chak pol kacha. Ye kola, oga belo opioj, epioj yam. We are going to learn new things today. Let us begin. Let's say change, change, change the following. The following words from English to Dinka language. Okay, guys, change the following words from English to Dinka. Let us begin. Number one. What can we write? Number one. Number one. Let's say number one. Let's say chameleon. Chameleon. Chame, chameleon. Let's say chameleon. Chameleon in Dinka is called what? Chameleon in Dinka, guys, is called what? Let us see how we can write it. Chameleon in Dinka is called ngany kudot nga a nya. Nga a nya. Kudot ka u. Dot da o ta. Ngany kudot. Ngany kudot. Ngany kudot is called chameleon. Okay, let us go to number two. Number two, what can we write? Let's say crocodile. 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 Crocodile in Dinka is called nyang. Let's say nyang. Nya. Nya a nga. Nya a nga. Nyang. Nyang crocodile. Nyang. Okay, let's go to number three. Sorry, guys. Yeah, number three. Number three. Okay, what can we write, guys? Let's say donkey. Donkey. Donkey in Dinka is called akaja. Aka a ya a. Akaja. 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 In Dinka, donkey is called akaja. Let's go to number four quick. Let's say cow. Cow. Cow, guys. Cow. In Dinka, cow is called wing wa eng nga. Wa enga. Wa enga. Wa enga. Wing. Wing is called cow in Dinka. Let's go to number five very quick. This is a spelling, guys. Number five, what can we write, guys? Let's say goat. Goat. Goat in Dinka is called what? Goat. Goat is called tok. Ta. Ta is like it. Ta. Oka. Oka. Tok. 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 Ta. Oka. Tok. Tok is not tok. Is tok. So let's go to number six, guys. Number six. Number six. Let's write number six. Number six. Number six. What can we write? Let's say dog. Dog. Da. Oka. In Dinka, dog is called jong. Jong. Ja. O. Nga. Ja. O. Nga. Jong. Jong. Ja. O. Nga. Jong. It's dog. Dog. American English. Dog. But normal English we call dog. Of course, who is not going to understand dog or duck. Okay, guys. Number seven. Number seven. What can we write? Number seven. Okay, let's say sheep. Sheep. In Dinka, sheep is called amal. Amal. Let's say a a la. Amal. 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 La. Amal. In Dinka. Let's go to number 8, guys. We don't need to waste time. Number 8. What can we write? What can we write, guys? I'm forgetting something. Okay, let's say camel. 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 Camel in Dinka is called Tarol. Ta. This is ta. Or this is ta. Or ra. Or la. No. Ta. Or ta is ta. Or what happened? Okay, ta. Or ra. Or la. Tarol. Ta. Or ra. No. It's stay wrong. Ta. Or ra. Or la. La. Yes. Tarol. Ta. Or ra. Or la. Tarol. Tarol means camel. Let's say number 9. Number 9, what can we write? Let's say horse. Horse. Is called horse or horse? Horse. Horse in Dinka is called, let's say, it's called ajuak ja u wa aka ajuak ja u wa aka ajuak is called horse. Number 10. Let's write something about number 10. What can we write? What animal do we know and is very common? Let us write giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe in Dinka is called mir. Mir in Dinka. That is giraffe. Let's come to number 11. Let's say elephant. Elephant. Big animal. In Dinka, elephant is called a corn. Na. A corn. Na. Na. A corn is also the name of the person, but we cannot put those dot when we are writing the name of the person. In Dinka, we have the name of the person called a corn. Yes. Okay. Let's come to number 12. Number 12. Let's say which animal again? Which animal can we write, guys? Okay. Let's say tiger. Tiger in Dinka is called quach. Quach is like this. Quach. Dinka is called tiger. Let us come to number 13. Guys, what can we write? Number 13. Let us put which animal? Okay, let's say, let us write this one. Lizard. Lizard. Lizard in Dinka is called arik. Ik. Arik. Arik. Number 14. Number 14. Which animal can we write? Okay, let us forget that. Let us write snake. Snake. Snake in Dinka is called kuping. Kuping. Ka u pa i nya. Kuping. Kuping. Or you call it pien. Kuping. Pien. Kuping. Kuping mean is pin mean down, earth, the ground, on the soil. That means because the snake is always down, we call it kuping or pien. Okay, guys, the last but not least, number 15. Number 15, what can we write, guys? Okay, number 15. Let us write. What can we write in number 15? Okay, if we don't have anything to write, let us say, hey, this one, hippo. 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 That is hippopotamus. In Dinka language, is called row. Ra o u. Ra o u. Row. Row. If they are plural, we call them rot. Ra. Let's say rot. Ra o ta. Rot. Plural. Row singular. Rot plural. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the spelling we have did today. We have changed the following words from English to Dinka language. And the first one is chameleon, which is ngang kudot. Number 2, crocodile, which is nyang. Number 3, donkey, which is akaja in Dinka. Number 4, cow. In Dinka is called wing. It's very common. We keep it at home all the time. Number 5, goat. Tok. Tok. We keep it at home also. Number 6, dog, which is called jong in Dinka. Jong. We keep it at home also. Number 7, sheep. In Dinka is called amal. Amal, plural, amel. So we keep them at home. Number 8, camel. Camel mean torol. Torol in Dinka. Number 9, horse. Horse in Dinka is called ajuwak. 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 Number 10, giraffe. Giraffe in Dinka is called mir. Mir. Ira. Mir. Number 11, elephant. Elephant in Dinka is called akon. 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 And we also have the name of the people. We call them akon also. Number 12, tiger. Tiger means quach. Quach in Dinka. We also have the name of the person called quach. Number 13, lizard. Lizard. Lizard mean arik. Arik. Arik in Dinka. We also have the name of the person called arik in Dinka also. Number 14 is snake. Snake mean kuping. Kuping or kiping or pien in Dinka. Number 15, hippo. Hippo mean hippopotamus, and in Dinka is called row. Row. Row, or in plural, rot. Row means singular, plural, rot. It should be hippos. Okay, guys, I hope this one is useful. It's going to help you guys. So let me zoom it so that you guys can see it well. And this is the end of our short spelling. Please, if you like this one, let me know so that I can be doing more like this one. Is spelling. We are here to learn Dinka language. Okay. Nyali Kawek, Kuyania. Bye bye. See you next lesson. Ciao.